Okay, I'm going to cook the sausage for the egg casserole. The pan is nice and hot, it's smoking. That way the sausage will not stick to the pan. So here we go. I'm going to cut the crust off of white bread and slice it into fours. Put this in the bottom of the casserole dish that's been sprayed with nonstick spray. This took 10 slices of white bread. Now I'm going to crack a dozen eggs into this bowl. I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard, and 1 cup of half and half. I don't have milk, so I'm using half and half. You can use regular milk. And 1/2 cup of water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And whip this around with a fork. Now I'm going to pour the egg mixture over the bread. And use a fork to get the bread into the egg mixture. Then the sausage goes on top. Spread the sausage out evenly. Then place in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. This cooked at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. I'm going to put cheese on top and cook it for another 5 minutes at 350 degrees. This is ready.